I'm just going to run the backtesting again before we do anything else. So I'm just going to replicate quickly our usual backtest. So I'm going to run it from 4 years up to today. And let's see, nothing in the second order set. Trading hours, I'm not restricting the trading hours. And what else was there? Trade setups, no restrictions there either. Maximum signals 5. Job filter is switched on. Everything is the same. Okay, cool. 15-minute chart and the 4 indexes, market order entries. Okay. I forgot to point out, but I think for those of you who know the system, it's obvious that you don't have to actually take all the signals. There's 2 kinds of pullbacks, simple pullbacks and complex pullbacks, as you know, and you can just choose to trade one or both or just the other. I do know that some traders specialize in complex pullbacks only, and they skip simple pullbacks and they have no trouble missing a lot of signals. They don't care because they're just waiting for the complex signals. So I just want to take a moment and run this test. Okay, here we go. So let's see, profit factor, right? So remember, this is what we looked at last time. NQ was 120. Yeah, 9,300 trades. A little different because we have one more week in the database as opposed to last week, but we're very similar anyway. Okay, same standard settings. I didn't really fiddle with the settings too much. This is what we got. And here's the point. This is why I ran it again. I didn't really fiddle with anything. This is ProSTR. This is our methodology. This is the software you can buy in the store. And I didn't fiddle with the system. Very, very few, minimum, as little as possible, discretionary decisions. Basically, the only thing I did is the number of trades in a trend and the time frame. That's all. We have enough trades. We have 9,400 trades over a, 4.5-year period. The point is that this is just a starting point. We haven't really done any work yet. And it's already all 4. Then the combined is already above 50%. Already all of them are profitable. Look at the profit factor. And this is already a strong indication of the robustness of the system. And now the question is, can we improve on this? The 4-year period time span is split up into chunks, out of sample data and in sample data. And all the heavy lifting is done by the software in just a few minutes. And here we go. So this is now the optimization 127. So we were able to, by walk forward analysis, we were able to improve it a little bit from 120 to 127. Actually, that's not even a small improvement, and 52%. So at the end of the walk forward optimization, our results are a little better than they were before. So, and this is realistic, guys, because you can't, if it was, we mentioned it last time, if you ran this test and suddenly it's 65 or 70 and 3.5 or something, then it's be suspicious because those things do not exist. Edges are always small. 4 years of data, robust settings, not much fiddling, but a little bit of walk forward optimization. And we are able to come up with these settings. And I think they're just good enough for me. There are definitely market situations where I think discretionary considerations must be included in the decision process. There might be times when you don't want to trade. For example, if you want to limit the time, you can limit the time all news releases. 8:30 news release, 10:30 CL news release every Wednesday. If you trade the CL, you may want to skip that. 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after, no trade. You can easily set that up and see if the trading results are better. Bottom line, we are identifying patterns in crowd behavior, human reactions to risk and reward, which will show up one way or the other in price action. And if we can analyze price action, we are able to dig into the numbers and uncover some patterns, which with not total accuracy, of course, but statistical accuracy and tendency, we are able to fork out a little bit of edge that might just be enough for us to take this seriously. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.